Hello and welcome to Earsonic Hearing Centre. I'm Lindsay, and I'm here to guide you through the process of getting a hearing test with us. First, let's talk about scheduling your appointment. You can book your hearing test either over the phone or online, whichever is more convenient for you, and it only takes a few minutes. On the day of your appointment, you'll meet our audiologist, Michael. He'll begin by reviewing your medical history and discussing any hearing concerns you might have. This is a relaxed and stress-free conversation where we can really get to know your specific needs. Next, we'll move on to the clinical examination. Michael will first examine your ears before starting the hearing test. The test itself is quick, simple, and completely painless. You'll listen to sounds at different volumes and pitches, and each time you hear a sound, you'll press a button. We'll also test your ability to repeat words and sentences, both in quiet and in noisy environments. The entire test is tailored to you, and Michael will be there to guide you through each step. Once the test is finished, we'll review the results together. If any hearing issues are identified, we'll discuss a personalized treatment plan, which may include options like hearing aids or other support to suit your specific needs. We'll take into account your test results, preferences, lifestyle, and budget. We understand that hearing concerns can be stressful, but getting a hearing test sooner rather than later gives you the power to take control of your hearing health. Whether you're just confirming everything is fine or need further support, we're here to help. Booking an appointment is easy, and it's completely free for anyone 60 years or older. We'd love to welcome you to our clinic soon.